Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the CRUIZR Rotating Masturbator. So let's get started. So this CRUIZR Rotating Masturbator features a high-end design. It's very luxurious and is a discrete penis stimulator. Here are some useful measurements of this rotating masturbator. The inner sleeve length is 12.3 centimeters and the inner diameter is 5 centimeters. Let's take a look at the sleeve itself. Remove the cap like so, and it reveals the sleeve on the inside. As you can see, it has a realistic vagina opening. The material is very soft and smooth to the touch and feels very lifelike as well. On the interior, it's studded for extra wonderful stimulation during use. It's also flexible, which helps for the perfect fit as well. When using the sleeve, we recommend you use a water-based lubricant for optimal comfort. Now, this masturbator features a rotation. It has 3 different speeds to choose from, and you have the option to go from left, and you can also change it to the right. So let's turn it on. To turn on, you're going to press and hold down for 3 seconds on the bottom button. A small outline of a light should appear on the bottom button. You can also use the light just here. Press once. To turn on, press once on the G. And as you can see, the rotations twist. Use the same button to change the speed. And you can use the button just here to change it from left to right. A truly thrilling experience. To turn off the light, press once. To turn off the rotations, press and hold down. And that's it. To turn off the entire masturbator, press and hold down for 3 seconds, and now it's off. Time to charge your masturbator. It's very quick, simple, and easy to do. The charging point is located at the bottom of the masturbator. Using the USB charging cable provided, you're going to gently slot it in like so. There we go. Now, the approximate charging time of this masturbator is 120 minutes. We also recommend charging this completely before your first use. Also included is a pair of headphones. You can attach the headphones right next to where the charging cable is, and once you've turned the masturbator on and chosen your favorite setting, a sexy, sultry female voice can be heard, so it makes your experience even more thrilling and exciting. So now it's time to clean your masturbator. This is really important and should be done every time after use. To start, we're going to twist and remove the plastic glass like so. Next, we're going to remove this like so. It has a magnet on both ends, so it's very strong, so gently pull it out. It doesn't need too much to it. Now, once you've removed that, we're going to gently remove the cap using the 4 tabs. Gently push them up and it will peel off like so. Now the final step, removing the silicone sleeve from the casing like so. Now, as you can see on the inside of the stimulator, it's nubbed for fantastic stimulation. Now, to clean the silicone sleeve and the vagina opening, and of course the glass case, we recommend to use toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. Make sure the sleeves are completely dry before putting them back together and before your next use. Now, let's put everything back together. It's very quick, simple, and easy to do. Firstly, we're going to put the silicone sleeve back into the case like so. Gently push down to guide it to the bottom. Now, make sure the sleeve at the top fits around the edges perfectly, and then using the silver cap, we're going to gently push down over the silicone like so. You should hear a click and it will stay in place. Now we're going to attach the magnets back together. Once you've heard a click, it's perfectly in place. Then, using the plastic glass case, screw back in until it's tight, and lastly, pop the cap back on and it's ready to use again next time. Please note, this masturbator is splash proof and not completely waterproof. If you feel perhaps some of the outer of the masturbator might need cleaning, simply use a slightly damp cloth to do this. For more tips and tricks on how to use this masturbator, why not visit the user manual, which can be found on the back of your packaging via the QR code. Simply scan the QR code with your mobile phone and a CRUIZR manual for this product will appear. It's available in 8 languages and you can view things like what's included in the package, size and specifications, how to use and how to clean, and so much more, so it's really handy to view. And that is the CRUIZR Rotating Masturbator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.